Welcome to the best pick. Looking to upgrade your oral care routine? Dive into the world of Waterpik Water Flossers and discover the top picks to take your dental health to the next level. Now let's take a look at the best Waterpik Water Flossers to make your oral care complete we choose for you. Number 5. Wouldn't it be nice to have a single universal solution suitable for all family members? The Waterpik WF-03 includes 7 flossing tips, 3 standard ones and 4 special tips, so all users can benefit from using it. The Waterpik WF-03 is able to remove up to 99.9% of plaque, clean deep between teeth and gum line, as well as providing gentle gum massage. With 10 water pressure settings, you can customize your flossing experience and use the most comfortable mode for you. The Waterpik WF-03 features a handy timer with a LED indicator and a generously sized water tank, making it convenient for family use. If you need an all-in-one solution for whole family use that includes all convenience features, the Waterpik WF-03 can become the best choice. What we like. If you need an all-in-one solution for whole family use that would include all convenience features as well as a few special tips for sensitive teeth and dental work, the Waterpik WF-03 can become the best choice. It will let you thoroughly water floss all areas of your mouth and significantly improve teeth and gum health. What people say. I have an older Waterpik model, 2009, that needed replacing. Its attachments never really fit well and water sprayed when using it. Looking at the reviews, there seems to be a consistent effort by what I take are some owners of the venerable Waterpik WF-100 Ultra to trash this new model and portrait it as inferior to the WF-100. I don't think this is the case. The WF-03 is an improvement over the WF-100 in many ways, and I'll tell you why later. Number 4. Looking for a compact and efficient flosser? The Waterpik WF-03 Cordless is the perfect choice. It may be cordless, but it doesn't compromise on efficiency. The Waterpik WF-03 features an ergonomic and sleek design that feels comfortable in your hand. With control buttons conveniently placed on the handle, adjusting speed and settings is a breeze. With 3 speed settings to choose from, you can customize your flossing experience. From a gentle setting for sensitive teeth to an intense one for a thorough clean, the Waterpik WF-03 has you covered. The package includes 3 types of attachments for daily use, plaque removal, and orthodontic care. Each tip rotates 360 degrees for effective brushing. Enjoy quiet operation with the Waterpik WF-03 even on high settings. You can floss anytime without worrying about disturbing others. The innovative rapid magnetic charging system fully recharges the Waterpik WF-03 in about 4 hours. It also comes with a travel water plug and bag, making it perfect for trips and journeys. What we like. If you look a powerful yet compact and portable flosser, this cordless flosser from Waterpik will get you covered. What people say. The Waterpik Water Flosser is a game-changer for dental care. It efficiently removes plaque and debris, leaving teeth and gums feeling clean and refreshed. Its compact size and included travel bag make it perfect for on-the-go oral hygiene. Gentle yet powerful, it's suitable for cleaning around braces without discomfort. With easy setup, maintenance, and 4 customizable tips, it's user-friendly for the whole family. Delivering professional-grade results, it significantly improves oral health. Backed by Waterpik's trusted brand, it's a reliable choice for dental care. Overall, highly recommended for its performance and convenience. Nice looking. Ergonomic. Lightweight. Waterproof. Easy to clean. Able to adjust direction and power of water spray. Took some experimenting to get used to how to use it. If not in the shower, be over a sink and maybe hold a towel under your chin. It feels good after using it. Obviously gets food fragments out of between teeth. Seems to work as well as floss without cutting off finger circulation twisting floss around them. Faster too. I like being able to add mouthwash to the water chamber. At first I regretted purchasing, but with a little practice I am liking it more. Haven't even tried all the attachments yet. Number 3. When packing for a trip, you always remember a toothbrush but not a water flosser. The Waterpik WF-03 allows you to maintain your oral care routine on the go. Powered by easily replaceable AA batteries, this model eliminates the need for charging. With up to 2 months of battery life, you can enjoy hassle-free flossing wherever you are. Featuring a compact size and a travel bag, the Waterpik WF-03 is perfect for travelers. The 2-ounce water tank ensures minimal space usage in your luggage. Equipped with 2 classic jets and an orthodontic jet, this flosser is suitable for various oral care needs. The combination of flossing and pulsation technologies ensures thorough cleaning. Adjustable jet speeds allow you to customize the pressure according to your preferences. The Waterpik WF-03 is a versatile and efficient solution for daily oral hygiene. What we like. If you want to follow your habitual oral care procedures wherever you are, the Waterpik WF-03 is a simple yet fully functional and efficient water flosser for daily needs that will fit into smaller bathrooms and match travelers' needs. What people say. The force of the spray is much better with fresh batteries. The tank is slightly larger and it does a great job cleaning. It is recommended to give as a gift. It's hilarious with multiple people trying to figure it out. Cleanup is easy. The water flosser has been working well since late 2018. It does a good job cleaning. Waterpik service was helpful when it had issues. Number 2. Say goodbye to bulky care kits. The Complete Care 9.0 boasts a 40% smaller footprint, saving valuable counter space. No more cluttered countertops. The onboard storage keeps the flosser and toothbrush neatly in one place. Experience a new way to control with a convenient push-button controller on the side of the unit. Achieve a healthy smile with 4 flossing tips, 2 brush heads, and 3 sonic modes for efficient plaque removal. Get all the necessary features in a compact design with the Complete Care 9.0, perfect for family oral care needs. What we like. With the Complete Care 9.0 you can have peace of mind since it has all the necessary features you need to have a healthy smile. The unit offers a comprehensive oral care solution packed in a compact and space-saving design, making it a great choice for family needs. What people say. My dentist recommended this device. It is a life changer. Brushing and flossing has never been easier. After you use the toothbrush and water flosser you will never go back to regular brushing, definitely worth every dime. This set is so convenient and works great. All 3 brush settings feel wonderful and have my teeth looking great and gums feeling good. The Waterpik does the job quickly, but the tank also empties quickly. It feels so good that I may be using it too long though. I attach the hooked floss head and clean around the pins in my implants. The force of the water does a much better job of flowing than the wax string the dentist gives you. I had a hard time trying to thread this string between the pins to clean out debris. This makes it so much faster and cleaner using the floss. After brushing and using the flosser my mouth feels so clean and running. Number 1. Looking for a space-saving flosser that doesn't compromise on performance? Meet the Waterpik Nano Plus. Its slim design fits perfectly on any sink top. With 5 variable flossing modes, you can adjust the water jet pressure to suit your needs. Plus, 4 attachment tips cater to different dental requirements. Despite its small size, the Nano Plus features a 15-ounce water tank for a single 1-minute flossing session. Easy to refill for hassle-free use. Get the best of both worlds with the Nano Plus, functionality of stationary units and portability of cordless models. All at a budget-friendly price. Perfect for smaller bathrooms, the Nano Plus is a compact solution that doesn't compromise on efficiency. Upgrade your dental hygiene routine today. What we like. The Waterpik Nano Plus hits the sweet spot between the functionality of stationary units and portability of cordless models. And you can't but like its more than reasonable price. What people say. It is lightweight, super easy to use, easy to put away in a cabinet and most of all very effective. It's compact, easy to use and comes with different heads to adjust to your needs. I like the compact size and the reservoir is also the cover. Limited water capacity but it is adequate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.